CBSE school sing ohenaba NOC pirambaga mari lainana ZEO amasung DI suspend tawkhre. ZEO suspend tawba yaningde pung nifuga nipan gi manungda revoke tawgadaba ne KSO. Surachanpur amasung Kangpokpi district ke school kaya CBSE de affiliation tawnabagi damag Manipur government ki ayaba yaudana NOC no objection certificate pirambaga mari lainana. Education department na ngarang ZEO Surachanpur amasung Kangpokpi amade Samulamlal block ki DI thabak taki suspend tawkhre. Manipur government ki education schools department ki under secretary education S na thokpo order amagi matungin na zonal education officer Surachanpur Jangkho Hau ki general education officer Kangpokpi Lingting neng amasung Surachanpur ki ZEO gi makhada leiba Samulamlal block ki DI L title gi mathakta disciplinary proceeding laukhatle haire. Proceeding adugi matungin na Central Civil Services Classification Control Appeal Rules 1965 ki makhada Zonal Education Officer Surachanpur Jangkho Hau ki Zonal Education Officer Kangpokpi Lingting neng amasung Surachanpur ki ZEO gi makhada leiba Samulamlal block ki DI L title bu khudakta ki suspend tawre. Official sing asi suspend da leiringai manungda government ki ayaba yaudana headquarter thadokpa yaroi. Makata na ZEO Kangpokpi ki hangduna leiriba pharmacy DI in charge saitu oidiba Lamkho Hat Haukip na yengsingane ZEO Surachanpur ki pharmacy na DI in charge Surachanpur oidiba Esther Singnai Kim na yengsingani haire. ZEO suspend tawba yaningde pung nifuga nipan gi manungda revoke tawgadaba ne KSO. Zonal Education Officer ZEO Kangpokpi Lingting neng singsit ZEO Surachanpur district Jangkho Haukip amasung Deputy Inspector of School DI School Samulamlal block L title suspend tawbagi thawong asi yaningdi haina Cookie Student Organization KSO Sadar Hills ki maikaidagi phongdokre. Pung nifuga nipan gi manungda suspend order revoke tawnaba Cookie Student Organization Sadar Hills na mari lainabasingda ultimatum pikre. ZEO Kangpokpi Lingting neng singsit suspend tawnanabagi warep asina wahang kaya lakle. ZEO Kangpokpi bu karigidamak suspend tawbano haibasi sengdokpiyo. CBSE affiliation tawbagi wathokta ZEO sign tawbada sianabagi damak suspend tawbani hainasu phongdoknaba yaure. Education ga mari lainaba wafamda rules and regulation ngakna haibagi tangai fadaba lai haibasi khange. Adubo kanagumba misag amabu makoigi oiba wari phongdoknabagi tanja adudi pibiba chumme. Lingting neng singsit ki mayokta siriba maralasi athubada investigation tawbiyo haire. Lingting neng singsit ki mahuta nauna hablakpa official adu KSO Sadar Hills na ZEO gi office ta sangaloi haire.